Hey y'all, watch this. Are you ready for your first run of the day?
Yes, I am. I've waited and waited. Now we're gonna run her whether she goes hot or not. We're gonna have fun.
All right, here we go. Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Never Done Projects. Today's episode, we're gonna finally tell you and show you what Dad decided to buy last night. You gonna tell him? Well, I guess you're just gonna show. 1993 Camaro Z28, 5.7 LT1. It wouldn't be us if it didn't run. It is a automatic, but that's okay. That's okay. Paint's, it's there. But yeah, Dad wants to do some burnouts, so we went and bought this. We're gonna see if we can get it running today. Anything you want to say?
Like and subscribe and follow for more.
All right, here we are, right here in the new Camaro. Video coming soon, but Dad has hot wired the starter, and we can actually get it to run for a second. Here we go. Hit it. Fire. Hey, don't pour it out. Blooper reel of the day. Did you just catch my car on fire? I guess. All right, take two. Hit it. Yes, hell, shut the hood. Someone told me to do it.
You know, the first 15 times it was fun.
Well, that 16th time was funny. Hey, dummy. Why don't you put the gas bottle where you can reach it again?
Because it caught on fire last time.
Dumbass. So you're going to drive it out in a minute?
I don't know. We're going to see.
We know the transmission works. Peep that shirt. Yeah. All right, we'll be back with you shortly. But in the meantime, we checking everything off. Here we go. All right, Jezebel, come on out now. Stop backing up and go forward. She drives, go! Wrong way. Are you ready for your first run of the day?
Yes, I am. I've waited and waited. Now we're gonna run her whether she goes hot or not. We're gonna have fun.
All right, here we go. You know, that was fun.
Yes, it was.
What if we did it again?
Tandem.
Why not?